This next question is also from Gamma 1301, but it's question 11 this time, and it looks very cool. It says a tank of water has a rectangular base, which is 30 by 10. The depth of the water, is 12 centimeters. A brick measuring 16 by 8 by 6 is placed in the tank. By how many centimeters does the level of water in the tank rise? Well, there's a whole bunch of ways you could do that. Let's draw it up first. I like to see this, what I'm talking about. So let's see if we can draw this as best I can. So this was Gamma again. Gamma, it was exercise 13.01. That was question 11. All right, so the water tank, let's draw this first, 30 by 10. So, here's my tank. It's going to be, and it's going to be 30 by 10. Well, let's say that's the 10. 30, let's say, is that way there. So it's not to scale. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, and here we go. So it says that this is the 30 along here. And again, I'm not going to bother with the units, but these are, in fact, centimeters. We'll do the units at the last moment. It says the water is 12. So it doesn't mean the height of it's 12. It just means the water's 12. So the water level, let's say, is there. Here it is. And this is going to be 12. Yeah? 12 centimeters. Okay, so it says now you put a brick in there, and the brick. So first of all, let's look at the volume we've got so far. So we've got something that looks, that's not very good. Okay, slightly better. Okay, here we go. So we've got the volume of water so far. So I put volume of water. Could have put H2O there, couldn't I? Is going to be 30 times 10 times 12. What's that going to be? 3,010, 3,600. Okay, so we've got 3,600 cubic centimeters. So then it says we've got a brick. Now the volume of the brick, volume brick, is going to be equal to, what was it? 16 by 8 by 6. And what does that come to? That's going to be 6. And a 6, 786. No, what am I doing? It's going to be, 768. Crikey. I thought I was right. Here we go, 768. It's not a great evening for me with the mental maths. I should just use the calculator and be done with it. 768. I always like to try it in my head first and see if I land in the right place. And of late, so often that has not been the case. I think my age is showing. All right, here we go. So I've got 3,600. We increase the volume of water in there by 768. So I can see there's a ratio problem, the way I would express it. So we've got, let's have a look. So we've got the volume of water at the moment is going to be 3,600. So we could say we've got the volume, or let's look at the volume. In fact, hang about this. The volume to the height, because the height's the thing that's changing. So we could say the ratio of volume to height. That's what we're going to do, volume to height. So the volume to the height at the moment is 3,600 to 12. Volume of 3,600 to 12 centimeters. Now, if we go to an extra 768, in fact, I'm going to do this on the calculator. Experience tells me today that it's the only way to do it. All right, so let's have a look at this. So we've got, here we go. So we've got 3,600 and we've got 768. Couldn't even see that, so sorry. It's out of focus. Go into focus, thank you. I don't know why it does that. All right, so we've got 4,368. Here we go. So and now it's gone all dark. So 4,368. So we've got 4,368. So this is the volume without the brick. So that's just the volume without the brick. This is the volume plus brick I'll put. This is brick. All right. And that now is going to rise to what level? Well, we don't know. So let's play this out. So lots of ways we could do that. We could compare this and this and this and this, or this and this and this and this. I'll just do it this way around. I'll say we've got 4368 to 3600 is equal to H on 12. I'm comparing the new height with the new volume compared to the old height and the old volume. So if I just multiply this by 12 and I multiply this by 12, H is going to equal, and let's just do this on the calculator. Here we go. Hopefully, please stay in focus. So we've got the 4368 times 12. We're going to divide that by 3600, and we get 14.56. There we go. So the height is 14.56, and that would be in centimeters. It wouldn't be. It's a straight measurement. There's no volume involved. So went out of focus. Looking at the question though, the question is asked there. It says, by how many centimeters does the level of water in the tank rise? Well, it was 12, but the new level is going to rise up to this level here. Yeah. So the new level is 12 plus, the new level is 14.56. So it's risen. So we'll put here rise equals 14.56 minus 12, which is 2.56 centimeters. And so that would be my answer.